Welcome to another ribbon cutting from your Mountain Home Area Chamber of Commerce. And we're here today with Angela and Mark Lockman, Tasty Greens Togo, their new location. Tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, this is our new location. It's at 300 East 9th Street in between Bamboo Gardens and Town and Country. So we've moved a little closer to downtown. Hopefully it's more convenient for everyone, but we do still offer drive-through. We offer dine-in, and you can call ahead and have everything ready also. Our phone number is 870-321-1891. We do have a grab-and-go case also for those of you who are in a big hurry. You can come and it's always stocked with an assortment of items: pizzas, wraps, salads, sandwiches. There's all kinds of goodies from Double T Bakeries. They do a lot of gluten-free, sugar-free. So we try to have a wide assortment for everyone.
That's awesome. And you have a whole group of people here to wish you well, starting off at your new location. We have our chamber ambassadors. Some of us from the board are also here. Danny, our president and CEO for the chamber. Like a whole big giant group on this day, even though it's a little rainy.
Yeah,
it's like so exciting.
It held out a little bit. I'm so glad.
Well, how about we go ahead and cut the ribbon then?
Yes.
Yeah.
I hold the bottom.
Yay.
Ready?
Yay!